So to start off, I will be boiling some water, and you'll see why I'm doing that later on in the video. So this DIY is pretty easy. The first ingredient will be olive oil. You have to have a carrier oil for this DIY. It can either be olive oil, coconut oil, whatever carrier oil you prefer. Next, you'll need like a mason jar. Then you'll need like a dish and a grater. A dish, 2 carrots preferably. You can use more carrots if you want more of the product, and a grater. I'll leave all the products in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So now I'm just going to grate the carrots. Grating the carrots will just ensure that when it's time to strain the product, it's easier.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
So now what I'm going to do is add the carrot into the mason jar.
The world is waiting up.
So now what you want to do is add your olive oil. So you want to cover the carrot in olive oil. You have to make sure you cover it. So as you can see, the water is boiling, and I added the carrots to the pot. So guys, I took it from the stove, and I let it sit for actually 45 minutes. And now I'm going to let it cool down for 50 minutes. So I'm not gonna lie, I let it sit for probably an hour, and now I'm going to strain it. So I'm gonna take the top off. I'm going to put it in that clean mason jar, and I'm just using a strainer and a spoon.
It's waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So yeah guys, that's how you make your own carrot oil, and it's very good for your hair. This is what some people spend a lot of money for, and it's also great for your skin. And because of its many benefits that I mentioned earlier, over time, if you use this on your skin, it's good for skin lightening. So yeah, make sure you give it a try. It smells so good, the carrot infused in the olive oil. And you can leave this of course the infuse for days. Leave it infused for a couple hours. If you want the shelf life to be longer, of course add some vitamin E oil, and you got that. This right now is good for 6 months without going bad, and if you want it to last a little longer, just add your vitamin E oil. So that wraps up this video guys until Friday. Stay tuned.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night.